Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vine? Really, Vine? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anas and I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I will show you how to find the perfect target audience for your business or product or whatever you're starting online. And this is actually a step-by-step video because I did notice most of the videos about this subject on YouTube. They are just an explainer video. You need this, you need to know this, you need to know this. However, the practice on how to do things step by step, I did not find any videos. So here you go for you. In this video, I will show you how to find your perfect target audience for your business in a step-by-step tutorial. But first, let me explain why you need to know or the importance of figuring out your target audience. So basically, selling or offering something to the wrong audience is like convincing someone to buy something they don't need. It's basically it's just the perfect example for it. And another example comes to my mind right now. It's like fishing. So when you're fishing in the wrong spot or unknown spot, you just cast the hook and waiting for a target fish. In this case, might bite on your lure. However, if you do the proper research or finding out the perfect spots for fishing, that way you'll hit the jackpot at the first go because you found your target fish, not audience. So that's the example that comes to my mind. I know it's not really good example, but it gives you the idea. So if you did research on your target audience, it will be not like selling, but actually offering help. So you just like helping people with your products because people are already in need or interested in your products. That's why finding the target audience is really important. And right now, let's just get to it and show you how to do it in a step-by-step video. So the first thing I'm going to do is finding the best demographic for the products. And the second thing is finding the best age for advertising because we need only to figure out the best age bracket so we can hit, as I said, the jackpot directly without wasting a lot of money on advertising. And the third phrase is finding the best platform for my target audience. And that basically has to do with the target audience or the demographics, which is the first one. So we're going to find the demographics and based on the demographic, we will find out what are the best social media that those people that are between that age bracket and those demographics they use on online to post stuff or whatever. And the next thing is checking out competitors on Facebook ads. And yes, Facebook ads, not Facebook pages. And the last thing is finding the target interest in the age that people target or advertisers target for our niche on TikTok ads. And yes, actually TikTok ads gives you this information. You just need to know how to find it. And without any more talking, let's just get to it. So as I said, the first thing is finding the best demographics for my target audience. And just like all my videos, I do go for random niche and I do demonstration based on that niche. I don't know what to go for is because I don't script my videos, so I just improvise. And I did give you the example, the bad example actually about fishing, right? So let's just go for fishing. And as I said, I need to find out the best demographics for people are interested in fishing. So when I start targeting the product, I can go directly for the best place where my potential customers might be at. And to do that, I'm accessing Google search engine, which is the thing I will use for research. And Google search engine is a powerhouse actually if you know how to use it. And to know that or to figure out that, I'm going to do a sample research, which is what states do people fish the most? Yeah, that's really simple, right? Oh, here we go. So we don't have even to access some website. As you can see, the first information is from Forbes.com. So they are a research firm, so their information should be accurate, right? So they said Florida. In here, they say Florida is considered by the many as the fishing capital of the world. So it's the #1 state for fishing. And in here, they said they have more than 720,000 non-resident fishing license. Okay, this is a good information. So right now, we know the best demographics for my product, which is in my case fishing. And the best demographics for my potential target audience is Florida. And right now, let's just get to the next step, which is finding out the best age bracket for my target audience. And to do that, I'm going to do a sample search again, which is, let's just say, fishing hobbyist. Here is fishing hobbyist average dates. So that should work. Average age. Here we go. Okay, so the average age is, interestingly enough, the average age of commercially fishing man is plus 40 years old, which represents 61% of the population. So the age bracket for people are interested in our product, which is, as I said, fishing, is plus 40 years old. That's good information, right? However, let's just scroll down to find more data about this, because that would be really narrow to target only people that's plus 40 years old. That would be really narrow. We need to find more information. I will start targeting by this information. However, if it did not work and I didn't get any success, I need to have more data to target other ages as well. And I did access here Statistica, which is, I think they will be accurate, the information on here. So what is the information in here? Here we go. So this is the age of people that are interested in fishing. And the first one is 15% or between 6 and 12. No, this will not work for us, because you can't target this age bracket in any platform online. That's illegal actually. So let's just pass on that. And in here, the biggest percentage is between 25 and 54, which is 14%, 14%, 14%. And that, how much that is that? That's 40, 28. Yeah, 42%. So 42% of the people are interested in fishing are between 25 years old and 54 years old. And we have the age bracket. But as I said at first, I will start by doing targeting on just males, because I think fishing will be only for males, I think. Anyway, so I will start targeting people that are 40 plus years old. And if I didn't get any success, I will go for the second information, which is between 25 and 54 years old age bracket. Right now we got two really golden information, which is, the first one is Florida, which is the most popular state for fishing, and the second golden information is the age bracket, which is plus 40 years old, or if it didn't work out, between 25 and 54 years old. And right now we need to figure out, as I said, the best platform that this age bracket use. And in here, between plus 40, let's just go for plus 40 in this case. So I need to find out which platform, wherever it's social media, wherever, which platform the most 40 plus years old people use. And we're going to know that obviously from Google search engine by doing a simple search for most used social media by plus 40. Yeah, let's just type in plus 40. Here is Quora. Quora, actually you can have some really good information, because Quora you can have multiple sources of information. So that's really good. Let's just access Quora and we will judge it by where the source of information is coming from. If some random person mention social media, we will not go for that obviously. So let's just scroll down here. One person said Facebook, Quora, LinkedIn. However, it did not mention where the information is coming from. So let's just pass on that. Nothing more here. Here is someone said according to a survey. So this is good, and he did put the link for the survey. So that's good. We can check it out by ourselves and see if the information is from a trusted source or not. So according to a survey of the most popular social network sites published on Social Media Week blog, blah, 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 the best platforms for people over 40 are Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vine. Really? Vine? I'm not sure if Vine exists anymore. Is it Vine is TikTok now? I don't know. Anyway, so the first one is Facebook, and the first person here mentions Facebook as the first option. Yeah, Facebook. So we know right now that Facebook is the most used social media network source for people are over 40 years old. And funny enough, the next step is figure out competitors on Facebook ads. So to do that, let's just head over to Facebook ad library, not facebook.com, but Facebook ad library. And if you don't know what Facebook ad library is, it's basically an ad library for advertisements. And to access it, simply search for Facebook ad library, or I will put the link for it in the description box. Just scroll down the description box and access the link from there. And here is, after that, let's just go for the country, which is in my case United States, because we want to target Florida, and all ads in here. And in the search bar, simply we're going to type in a keyword that's related to our niche. In my case, as I said, I'm doing research or I'm trying to find my target audience based on fishing. So let's just type in here fishing. And after that, do not access any page from the list here, simply hit enter. And here we go. All these you see here are ads about fishing, as you can see. But scrolling like this, it will not help, because check this out. 35,000 results. And yes, they are all ads about fishing. So that's not helpful at all. And right now, I will show you a unique trick to only filter out by the winning ones. And what I mean by the winning ones, ads that's actually successful for the advertisers and making some sales from them. And to know that, head over to the filters tab right here, simply click on it. And from the platform, obviously, we did discover the most used social media platform for people that are over 40 years old is Facebook. So I'm going to go for Facebook only. And for the media, I'm going to keep all types. And in here, active statue, we want only the active ads. And this is really important. So pick active ads. And in this date here, we need to pick a date between 1 month ago and 2 months ago. And I will explain what it does basically. So let's just go in here for 2023 and let's just go back by 2 months, December 2022, and I will go for 20 December. And to a date, I will go for January to 20 as well. So 20 January. And let's just hit apply filters and explain what this does basically. So right now we did tell Facebook ad library to only showing us ads that's only working on Facebook and active right now at the time of making this video, and started working between 20 December and 20 January. And as I said, still active to this day. So that will tell us basically something, right? Because no one will keep promoting a product for more than 2 months without making sales. And I will explain this in detail. So let's just scroll down. Let's just hunt for our winning ads. This is all a game, I think. Yeah, this is a game. Let's just keep scrolling. And here is, I found one. So in here, it says active. So the ad is still active as the time of making this video. And started running on 30 November 2022. So like more than 4 months now. So almost 4 months and still active to this day. And running on all platforms here. And in here it says this ad has multiple versions. 3 ads use this same creative and text, which is in this case a video. Yeah, it's a video. So why would this brand or store, which only has like 700 likes, which is not a big brand, why would promote the same products for more than 4 months and with multiple versions, as you can see, not just one? Because they are making sales. And there's 3 versions of the ads with the same video because they are targeting different cities or different interests. That's the scaling phrase. So this is basically a successful ad. And this is a successful competitor. In my case, if I was really doing researching about fishing, I would check out their store and check out a lot of things. However, I'm trying to show you only the idea on how to do research to find your target audience. And right now, let's just go to the next step, which is finding the interest and the age bracket of people that's running ads about fishing on TikTok ads. Because as I said, hate it or love it, TikTok is everywhere. So I don't like it either. And I don't have any TikTok account. I only have the ads account because I have to, because the market over there is pretty huge now and I can't miss out on that. So let's just head over to TikTok, not TikTok platform actually, but TikTok Creative Center. And if you don't know what is TikTok Creative Center, it's just ad library for TikTok. It's the same as Facebook ad library, but only for TikTok. And you can access it by searching on Google or just scroll down the description box and you will see the link there and access it. And after you did access it, you see this option here. It says top ads. Simply click on it because that's what we will use. And in here, it will show you United States by default, I think. In your case, if you're not going for United States, make sure to pick the country that you're trying to find target audience on or you are doing business on. And product category, do not mind with this because we will use the search bar instead. So click on the search bar and in here type in the keyword that's related to the product or the business that you're trying to do in United States, in my case, which is fishing. So I'm going to type in fishing in here and let's just hit enter. And after that, it will show me this products or categories that has to do with fishing. The first one is sunglasses, and obviously not everyone that's interested in sunglasses will be interested in fishing. That's really obvious. And here we go. This is fishing. So this number front of it is 162. What does this mean basically? So this means that 162 people are advertising fishing. That's exactly what it means. And in here, it says up 38%. So the advertisers that's promoting fishing is 38% more than the last week, because in here we picked the last 7 days. So as I said, more people are interested or targeting actually advertising fishing on TikTok by 38%. That's a lot. And to figure out, as I said, the age bracket of this 162 advertisers as well as the target interest they are targeting, simply click on these details right here and it will open up this tab with the graph for the information, and you can play around with the information to get an idea. However, what we want in this video is the audience insights. As you can see here, simply click on audience insights and it will show you related interest and the interests that are those advertisements, which is 162 are targeting. And then here it says machinery, equipment, outdoor equipment, electronics and so on, and politics. And if you notice, the first information we get is people are interested in fishing are more than 40 years old, and that's really obvious that they would be interested in politics, right? So that's why the politics is the interest that are advertisers targeting on TikTok to figure out potential customers for their fishing products, because we did go for fishing in here. And on the left here it says age range, as you can see. So 39% of the people that's engaged with products that has to do with fishing are between 25 and 34, as you can see. And then here I still have this data open. So as you can see, the most percentage, which is 42, are people between 25 and 54. And why you don't see 54 in here? Because TikTok is not famous in the age bracket. People more than 40 years old will not use TikTok, I think. But the biggest percentage is between 25 and 34, because that's the biggest age bracket that people use TikTok and also interested in fishing as well. And that's how you find the perfect target audience for your business or product or service or whatever you're trying to launch online. And please, as I said, if you got some value in this video, because I did show you step by step on how to do it, hit that like button. I would really appreciate it, and it's completely free. And again, if you have any questions about this or any video request, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment and each message on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching and catch you on the next one.